You are welcome. Please let's subscribe before we go. Yeah, as I used to tell you, in my environment, the way they use their own clipper blade, they don't want the clipper blade to quench at all. When the clipper blade quench, when they use it quench, they will still repackage it. They will use it quench, they will still repackage it. They will use it quench, they will still repackage it. Let me open this one now for you to see what I'm saying entirely. Can you see they do repackaging in different forms? They do repackaging of the clipper blade in different form. When they use it for a month, they will still repackage. Can you see? You will see something I will point to now. You will see one packing. You see that packing I'm pointing to? You see that packing now. When they use the clipper blade door, they now unscrew it, they put packing there. They force the clipper blade to work again. After they use it quench, they will still double the packing again. They put it there. After using the door, they will still repackage it again. They triple it there. That is how they will continue doing it. Some are using broom, some are using sellotape, masking tape, paper, cardboard, etc., etc. Can you see the another packing there again? That is how they continue repackaging their clipper blade until until the clipper blade cannot work again. Until the clipper blade cannot work at all. It is then they will now believe that I want to resharpen it. It is now they will now believe that I want to go and resharpen it. I'm telling you sincerely, the upper clipper blade, the inner surface of the upper clipper blade now has drilled. It has drilled the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade where it used to lay. I'm telling you sincerely, the more they are repackaging, the more they are raising the bottom of the upper clipper blade, now bending it towards the front. Can you see? The upper clipper blade, the inner surface, will now lose the total flatness. It will now lose the total flatness. At the same time, the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade now will now drill. There will be pothole, big hole in the front, in the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. That is what the repackaging used to cause. Can you see? When they repackaging, they may do this thing under 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year, even and above. When they now repackaging, that repackaging cannot work again, it is now that they now ready to come and resharpen their clipper blade. Who is going to sharpen it right now? That is where the problem used to come. Many of them will try it, no way, they won't get it right until they carry their clipper blade come to me again. Yeah, that is why I'm saying, if you want to work in my own environment, you need to learn this sharpening of the clipper blade very well. It is not matter of joke. I'm telling you sincerely, it's not matter of joke. If care is not taken, if you are not a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, using the super hard manual sharpening stone, you can use 4 hours on a set of clipper blade. I'm telling you sincerely, you can use 4 hours, 5 hours on only one set of clipper blade before you can sharpen it right. That is why I'm saying, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Master Barbers Hotel, subscribe to Master Barbers Comedy TV. Those are the 2 channels I'm sharpening clipper blade. If you really want to know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, subscribe to these 2 channels. Let us go into the business now. Yeah, can you see this clipper blade now I'm showing you? This clipper blade now, they've used it. They have used it for almost 7, 8, 9 months without sharpening. Now, after repackaging, they are now ready. The owner is now ready to resharpen it again. How do I want to sharpen it? Follow me step by step, one step after the other. Can you see application of the treatment in the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone with biscuit bone? Can you see the way I am treating the surface? That is why I used to tell you, if you don't know your way out, I'm still applying another treatment again. If you don't know your way out in sharpening of the clipper blade correctly, professionally, okay, in my environment, you will pack your load. So now I have started sharpening. I started from the upper side. I go to and fro 10 times. I treated the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone for the first side. The same treatment still there for the right hand side. I now go to and fro 10 times for the other side too with the same type of pressure. Try to take note. I'm trying to clean the inner surface now, trying to watch the inner surface, how the sharpening has worked. Yeah, that upper clipper blade now is sharpening correctly. I have to retreat the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone again before going for the bottom clipper blade. That is why I am saying subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Master Barbers Hotel. Subscribe to Master Barbers Comedy TV if you really want to understand the real meaning of sharpening. Yeah, can you see now? I want to start sharpening the bottom clipper blade. I want to start from the hub. I've treated the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. I've sharpened for the first side, come back to the other side to and fro 10 times. 10 times for first side, 10 times for the other side too. I want to check. Yeah, I still need to replace it back again. I've now shifted my thumb to the front a little bit. Yeah, you see I've shifted my hand and my thumb to the front a little bit in the other side too. That is to and fro 10 times for first side, to and fro 10 times for the other side, making 20 times to and fro for one side, 20 times to and fro for the other side. I'm now trying to check the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see? It seems everything has shined across. Can you see it? This thing I've just done in some seconds now. I'm telling you sincerely, if you don't know your way out, it can take you almost 2 hours or 3 hours before you can do it right. Can you see? I've sharpened and finished the upper and the bottom clipper blade. I now want to check. I now want to give it free hand testing styling mode to check whether the clipper, the upper and the bottom clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. Yeah, as I'm doing it, I'm trying to shift it from one side to the other. I mount bottom clipper blade on top of the upper clipper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade, trying to give it free hand testing styling mode. After the testing, I open it. The carbon will now form from the left hand side to the right hand side, for the front and for the back, for the inner side of the upper clipper blade and the bottom clipper blade, if it is sharpened correctly. If it is not sharpened correctly, the carbon cannot form from left hand side to the right hand side, but I believe it will form because normally the way I used to do it, I used to get it right. That is why I'm saying subscribe to my channel. Follow the way I sharpen step by step. Follow the way I sharpen, the way I treat the surface of my super hard manual sharpening stone to make the work easier. This work is not by power, it's by trick, it's by logics, it's by strategy. That is why I'm saying technically, professionally, correctly, okay, and everything will be done according to the way you want it to sharpen. Let us watch now and see. Can you see the carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side for the inner part of the upper and the bottom clipper blade in the front and then the back, which means this clipper blade is sharpened correctly. The upper clipper blade and the bottom clipper blade are sharpened correctly. Yeah, when you treat it and you run it according to the way you're supposed to do it, it is going to work like new one. It is going to work like new one, or even better than the new one. I used to say it. Those my subscribers, my viewer, those people following me, they really understand and believe in what I'm saying. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to become a master, you want to become a professional, you want to become a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, also in the sharpening of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Yeah, Master Barbers Hotel, Master Barbers Comedy TV. Those are the two channels that can bail you out. Those are the two channels that can bail you out if you really want to become a professional in sharpening your own clipper blade by yourself, professionally, technically, logically, correctly, okay by yourself. If you still want to do for commercial at the same time, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. When you subscribe, you can be able to see all my YouTube videos. What do I say again? When you subscribe to my channel, you can be able to see all my YouTube videos. At the same time, press the notification button so that as soon as I release my video into my YouTube channel, you will be the number one to be seeing my videos. Yeah, when I release the new videos into my YouTube channel, when you subscribe and you press the notification button will now divide into three. The one at the top painted in white, write a double head beside. You press it again, which means you are subscribed to my notification again. As soon as I release my new videos to my YouTube channel, you will be the number one to be seeing my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See the way I have tested it now, confirm. I now want to recouple it back in the engine. The owner now will take it to his own barber shop and run it and now test it. But once I've tested it with my own free hand testing style method, it gives me that sign. The clipper blade are sharpened correctly. There's no need to doubt. Those my subscribers, my viewers, they really believe in what I'm saying. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, as usual, as I used to tell you, if you really want to understand sharpening very well, you really want to be sharpening clipper blade, different type of clipper blade for yourself, by yourself. Yeah, and you still want to be using it for commercial again, be sharpening for different type of barbers, people, stylists, proprietors. Subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, you have gotten the access to see all my YouTube videos. When you subscribe to my channel, you have gotten the access to see all my YouTube videos. Can you see the packing that follow the clipper come? I have removed it, put it at the top for the owner. Yeah. Then when you press the notification button, you can be able to be seeing my new notification as soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel. Please go back to my old films. Go and be watching my old videos I produced in the past. Watch my old videos I produced in the past. Watch my old videos, please. Watch my old videos. Go and watch. You are going to benefit from them. It is not matter of mouth. You are going to benefit from them. Yeah, many videos I produced in the past, the type I cannot produce them again. I cannot be producing the same type of video twice or thrice in my YouTube channels. Try to understand me right. Yeah, the way I produce, the type of videos I produced in the past pertaining to stones, pertaining to the sharpening, pertaining to the barbing, yeah, pertaining to the frictioning, etc., etc., I cannot be producing the same type again. Now, series of videos I produce in my YouTube channels. That is why I'm saying you cannot forget about the past. Yeah, if it is a person that used to do repetition, producing one type of video 10 times, 50 times, I will not be saying this. The one in the past, the old videos, you cannot get them presently now. And the presently, you cannot get them in the old ones. Therefore, you need to be watching the old videos. You need to be watching the old videos. Yeah, now add it to the new ones to make it 100.